Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a high ticket affiliate secrets review, an update for 2020 because some things have changed with the program. But if you're wanting to learn how to sell other people's products and have great success with affiliate marketing, you want to stay tuned for this because this training has allowed me to have more success than all my 10 years online combined. And I've learned how to generate traffic, and with that I've made a lot of money through some affiliate sales. These are just an example of some of the money that I've made. Now obviously it doesn't mean that you're going to make money with this or you'll have success, but I'm telling you, this is the best training that I have found. One of the things I can't show you is an offline program that I made almost $15,000 with. This one $16,000, $3,000. These are a lot of checks that I've gotten from ClickBank. This is my YouTube channel. This is another affiliate program. So you can see that this absolutely works. So I wanted to go through it with you and show you what you get. Now with the high ticket affiliate secrets, you're going to get for $7 a 7-day trial. And then after that, it's going to be $47 a month. But that'll be the best money that you ever spend, because once you learn how to market, you can sell anything. And that's a problem that most people have, is they don't know how to market. They don't stick with something long enough, and they just jump from program to program to program, thinking that this next program is going to make me money. But it actually has to do with how you market. And again, when you learn how to market, you can sell anything. And I never had success before I started with this program. And there is an upgrade to the 6-figure partner program. We'll talk about that. But just with the high ticket secrets, what you're going to get is you're going to learn how does affiliate marketing work, and why you want to do high ticket affiliate marketing, the mindset for success, because that's, I believe, the most important thing. The 3 markets that will pay you passively, how to create your customer avatar, like what is your perfect customer, earn while you learn, how to overcome the shiny object syndrome, lose a side hustle mindset, 3 tips for successful affiliate promo, why you struggle to get traffic, and that's why people fail. I think that, besides having the wrong mindset, the best way to get traffic, how to convert leads to buyers, and how to finally make money online. And then with the HTA system, you're going to get an overview, the tools, because you're going to be able to market this and earn residual income from it, because you'll make 50% of the $47 a month. And so the way that you're going to market this is Josh Elder, who's my mentor. This is his program. He shows you how to set up the system. He actually uses Kartra in here, which I think I'm going to switch over to. I have ClickFunnels and I have GetResponse, but Kartra will do everything. And actually the 2 that I have now are more than Kartra would be a month. But you can set up landing pages, and he shows you exactly how to do that step by step. You're going to import the autoresponder messages, set up your affiliate account. You're going to get a domain for your email, because you don't want to be using a Gmail or a Yahoo Mail email. And you're going to set up a domain for that email and test out your links. You have your email auto responder follow-up messages. And this is super important. I'm actually working on this myself right now, but you want to set up a bridge page. Even if you're not used to talking on camera, it's going to set you apart from other people, because it's going to have you talking on video, and he shows you exactly what to say and how to set that up so that once someone opts in, they'll see your bridge page, and then it'll go to the sales page. And he shows you how to upload it. And then joining the Facebook group, to me, this is invaluable, because it's different from any Facebook group that I've joined. It's not a lot of people in there just talking about money. It's actually, I mean, of course we show results and people are getting really great results with it, but it's more about like helping people have success with marketing. And this is the Facebook group here. He goes live once a week, and so you can ask any questions that you'd like. and you can see a lot of people post results in here, but it's just a different type of mastermind than I've been a part of before, and it is invaluable. So that you get with it as well. And then he has a traffic overview. You can get quick results with YouTube ads. Now, this training he just added yesterday. So if you're wanting to learn how to do paid YouTube ads, he has a training here. Now, unless you upgrade to the six-figure partner program, which I'm a part of, you wouldn't be able to use his exact videos. But if you're part of the six-figure partner program, you actually can use his exact videos and that he uses in his ads. So that is super powerful. I'm actually going to get mine set up because I've not done YouTube ads before, but I really wanted to learn how to do them. And then you can also purchase traffic, which is his own personal traffic that he gets through YouTube ads. So it's like buying a solo ad, basically. So you can get traffic through the system as well. And then the tube traffic selling system, this is what has allowed me just through YouTube to make these kind of affiliate commissions. And I was never able to do that before. I had a YouTube channel for, I guess, 10 years. But until I learned this tube traffic selling program, I wasn't able to have the kind of success that I'm having now. And he goes over how to create your own videos, tools that you need, intention for your videos, how to identify your ideal customer, your brand, 3 types of channels that you would want to choose from, how to name it, the basics, just step by step on how to set up and optimize your channel, and some tools that you want to use to be able to know what keywords to use and to optimize your videos so that they'll when someone searches that keyword, you'll come up in the search. And I've been able to do that for a lot of keywords. A lot of times I can rank #1, and then some of them I'm like in the top 4 or 5. Not all of them, obviously, but quite a few of my videos. And I wasn't able to do that before. I didn't know how. So you're going to be able to also learn how to on-page and off-page optimize your videos, do closed captions, how important thumbnails are and how to create thumbnails, using cards and end screens. Those are the things that show up at the end of your videos. How to get backlinks so that you can get ranked. And like, so let's say you're going to do launch jacking and do a review on a product that's going to be coming out, and you'll be able to rank higher for those. Other ranking factors done for you, off-page SEO. So that's the tube traffic selling program that you'll get as well. Case study on keyword research and tracking. And then launch jacking is, again, where a product's going to be coming out and you do videos on it. You are then going to promote it when it comes out, and you're going to create bonuses so that people will purchase from you. And he gives a case study of how he made, I don't know how much, a lot of money with parallel profits and how he did that. So you can kind of model after that, and we're actually doing a launch jacking right now. So that's available to you as well. So for the cost of it, you get a lot. I am a part of the six-figure partner program, and what sets that apart from the high-ticket affiliate secrets is that you actually get to use his YouTube videos if you like. So let's go over what's in that. You get training on how to set up your YouTube channel, part 1 and part 2, how to create an intro video, how to use a PowerPoint template, because a lot of people feel more comfortable when they do the screen capture and they just talk with the PowerPoint, and how to download and edit the value videos. So he has, let me see how many videos in here now. There's a lot of videos that you can access, and he has them all in a spreadsheet so that you can, what keywords to use, and you actually download his exact video. You can put an intro to it and then connect it to his video, or you can just upload his video, and then he shows you how to optimize it so that it's unique, so it doesn't look like duplicate content. So let's see, that's the closed caption trick. And then you're going to download video plugins, how to create a thumbnail, finalizing your YouTube channel. There's a private reciprocation Slack group, action steps to take every day, and they do have a done for you video service as well. And obviously there's a cost to that. But this is what so many people are interested in, because they're, if you want to get a YouTube channel set up, but you don't really know what to post, this is going to help you do that, because again, you can have all these videos that you can upload to your channel and optimize them and get started really quickly. Of course, building a YouTube channel does take time. It takes patience. You have to just delay your gratification, but I'm telling you, if you stick with YouTube marketing, in my opinion, that's the best. It's completely free. Not this program, but YouTube marketing. So I just wanted to give you guys an overview, because there's a lot of people that ask me like what they should do to have success online. And I think that this program can give you that kind of success if you stick with it and if you do what is taught in this program, and then you engage in this group, because the live Q&As every week are going to give you some really great mindset, because I think, in my opinion, being an entrepreneur, it's the mindset that stops people, because they don't see results and they quit. And you need those people around you that are going to encourage you, and you keep going no matter if you're seeing results or not. It may take you a while. So if you guys have any questions about the high ticket affiliate secrets, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. And then if you want to go ahead and get started with the high ticket affiliate secrets, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can take the $7 7-day trial and see if this is for you. But I highly recommend it. So look forward to seeing you in the Facebook group. If you do, go ahead and join. With that being said, this is Karen Reno signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.